Coming on the escalator. Where are you now? Buckland Plaza. This is Buckland Mall. That's a spa. There. Fatness over this side for stroll. I scroll. The children place. This is the kiddie store. 50% off. Stock advertisement. 40% off. So yeah, dear store and cheap store. Look what your mother can buy. Hello. What's that? $6.
Yes.
T-shirt, yeah.
Bonnie, take a look. There are $2.99 graphic tees over there too. Take a look at that table too. And if you don't mind, you can also look at the other graphics on all tables. They're buy one get one half off. Please. Of course.
You having a sale?
Hey, so that was a
30%,
great
40% off.
Good job. You were turning them all of the
$3. Kitty suit for $3. Machine jeans. $9. Skinny treats. Seal, guys, seal. Children's store. Baby shoes.
The 10 names could be 18 to 24 months.
Oh my. Look at this. So cute. So cute, ain't it? Yeah. A pink one anchor, 40% sale. With them nice sneakers there. Babies. Look at that. But look how cute boot here. Yeah. Cutie. Different size, my dear. Long booty. Short booty. Look at this. For all the girls. Pretty much. So yeah, they have a sale. 40% off here. Them nice bad though. Yeah. They are cheap as a fire now you can come shop. See? The plastic shoes there. The cute on the picnic foot. Look at that. From a pin to an anchor. They have a little shirt, yeah. 50% $6. You know? $6. I'm still 50% off. Onesies, little jumpers, all of my jumpers. You got socks. You got girl dresses. Them look nice. There look a short sets over there. Matching sets to them. Blouse on the shorts. 50% off, top and bottom. Alright, see, and this is a little church shoes them. 40% off. So that's the price. Got $29. But like them a sale. Maybe I like 40% of it who can calculate. Do the maths. Little girl shoe. Your boys. These are all boys. 30% off. Boys shoes. Boys shorts. $10 sale. So the $10 sale part is gone already. So was it people that buy cheap things? See that? Them have $10, them are gone. The side are empty. Look at shorts them. Shorts up, but then fold them. See? Most of them are gone. For $10 sale. Shoes for boys. There's a $42 upon it, but a 40%. They're on sale right now. You spend $42, you spend maybe half of it. $36 it. But that's a different price. Yeah. And most people should be shop up here and put when things up on sale. That's when we shop. $20 sale. So I think you get like $20. 3 shots, $20. Is it? 3 shots, $20. On this you get three shirts, $20. And some people buy like when we go to Jamaica, a shop, and please go and see like them, that's why we pick them up. Yeah. So we pick them up. 3 for $20. How she doing? Where's you going? Maybe $6. $6. Little shirt. Yeah. Shorts for $10. You there? Yeah. Bargain.
So normally those pants over there would be like for $10.